Welcome to our video on traditional oil production using bulls. Selecting dried groundnuts. The quality groundnuts after sun drying are taken to the mill. The groundnuts are then poured into the grinder. Harnessing the bulls. Attach harnesses to the bulls, ensuring they are comfortable and secure. The harness should connect the central axle of the mill. Grinding. Guide the bulls to walk in a circle around the mill. As they move, the axle will rotate, causing the grinding stone or mortar to crush the groundnuts. Watering is done to provide temperature control, prevent clumping, and helps in oil separation. The groundnuts are pushed to the center continuously to ensure proper grinding. Adding water during the grinding process serves multiple purposes. It helps to control the temperature generated by friction, facilitates smoother and fine grinding, and aids in separation of oil from the paste. This prevents the paste from overheating, ensuring a better consistency for easier grinding and makes the oil extraction more efficient during the pressing stage. After 10 minutes of initial grinding, the oil starts to flow from crushed groundnuts. The fresh aroma of groundnut oil during grinding is a rich, nutty fragrance that hints at the purity and quality of the oil being extracted. As the grinding continues, the chunks get finely grinded, resulting in more oil flow. The wooden mortar plunges the chunks, separating oil and making the chunks to settle on the grinder surface. Approximately after 30 minutes, more payload is added to compress the groundnuts. The chunks are continuously pushed inside for further grinding. As oil extraction increases, the chunks gets dried up and it binds together. As the oil level is increased, more oil is plunged out around the surface. Grinding and pushing is done frequently in order to extract every drop of oil. Complete binding of chunks ensures entire oil is extracted and is ready for collection. Post grinding, the bulls are made to stop for oil collection. Oil collection. The grinder nozzle is opened, making the accumulated oil to flow out into the container. The oil is carefully collected and is taken to the solar dryer and is transferred into a different container for further processing. Post oil collection, the left out dry chunks is removed and is used as a feed to cows and oxes. Solar drying. Here, a polycarbonate sheet based solar dryer is used to dry the extracted oil, which helps in removing the moisture content in the oil and increase the shelf life. Here, along with drying, the oil is transferred from one container to other in order to filter out the remaining residues in the oil. Post solar drying, the filtered oil is taken to the packaging unit. Packaging. Finally, the completely filtered oil is filled in bottles and ready for sales. The bulls are appreciated for their hard work and dedication. It entails understanding the value they bring to human endeavors, cultivating empathy and respect for their role in our lives.